High above Thessaloniki's busy streets, hidden on the rooftop of a city center hotel, there's a spot both locals and tourists keep coming back to. Welcome to Imperial Rooftop Sky Bar of Thessaloniki. We're standing right on Egnatia Street at number 8, one of the city's most iconic avenues in the very heart of the center. From here, it's just a few minutes walk to Dimokratias and Venizelou metro stations and close to Aristoteles Square and the port, so getting here couldn't be easier, whether you're staying nearby or just passing through the city for the day. Looking straight up from the street, you'd hardly guess what's waiting on top of this building. Just one more reason this rooftop still feels like a bit of a hidden secret in the city center. We walk through the hotel entrance, past the reception desk, take a short flight of stairs, and catch the lift that carries us straight up to the top floor. And here it is, Imperial Rooftop Sky Bar, tucked into the very last floor of the building, right on the corner, with views opening up in almost every direction. It's open daily from 12 in the afternoon until midnight, starting with coffee, then easing into signature cocktails, drinks, and light snacks as the evening rolls in. Think shared platters, cheeses, and even pizza, alongside a menu of carefully crafted cocktails. The space is split between a cozy indoor lounge and an open-air outdoor terrace, so there's always a comfortable spot here, whatever the weather brings. Bar-style high chairs line one side. Tables and relaxed seating fill the rest of the terrace, built for lingering, whether it's a quick coffee or a slow evening drink with friends. And if you want to make sure you get the best table, reservations are available, so it's worth booking ahead, especially around sunset. And honestly, the view is the real star here. On one side, a glimpse of the port stretching toward the sea. On the other, Egnatia Street unfolding below, with the old city and its historic landmarks rising in the distance. It's easy to understand why this place is just as popular with locals as it is with visitors. Our waiters were genuinely friendly, warm, and more than happy to answer every question we had about the neighborhood and what's worth exploring nearby. And as the sun slowly sets over Thessaloniki, the sky fills with these real unfiltered colors, deep oranges, soft pinks, and warm golds, no filters added. Just Thessaloniki's sky doing what it does best. This rooftop turns into one of the very best seats in the whole city, and honestly, one of the best sunsets you'll catch anywhere downtown. See you at the next destination. Subscribe to Best Travel Video for more travel videos. Before you go, you can find everything in one place. Travel videos, city walks, tech guides, plus full ebook and audiobook versions. You can access it through the link in the description or the QR code on screen.